Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about something that we as beat makers and producers all deal with from time to time. And this goes for rappers, songwriters, really anybody creative as well. And what I'm talking about today is going to be about beat block. And I found that I was dealing with this recently actually, and I came to realize a few things about beat block, which are one, I always thought that beat block was my mind going blank and not being able to come up with anything. But really, what I think I realized is that instead of my mind going blank, there's actually too much going on, and I get overwhelmed and frustrated about it, and then I'm not able to create anything because of that. So then I decided to try to break that down a little bit, and so I thought, okay, if there's too much going on here and I'm sort of racing through this and I'm not able to come up with anything, maybe what I need to do is to slow things down a little bit more yet. So I came up with this interesting idea on how to deal with this. So I'm gonna show you, for example, here how I would go about this. So I'm gonna grab a piano here, and let's say I'm gonna create a melody here. So got my piano. Now let's just say this is on a normal day with beat block and I am trying to create something. This is something like how it would normally go. I would Alright, so I'd be sitting here doing basically this for uh, hours trying to come up with something, not able to come up with anything, trying so hard and nothing was working. So instead of trying so hard to produce something, instead start out really simple, like this. And then you just add one thing slowly. And when you're doing this, it's important to your mind's gonna wanna come up with a bunch of ideas and you're gonna be thinking of all kinds of ideas. but I think the key is to focus more on restraining yourself from that than focusing on producing something. You need to try as hard as you can to not produce everything that comes to mind and instead try to stay as basic as possible. Because in a sense, if you're focusing on restraining yourself, you've now flipped your mindset from trying as hard as you can to come up with something and produce something. Instead of doing that, you flip it to trying basically to not do that. Now you've completely turned your mindset around, and we all know that beat block is mostly a psychological, it's a mental block basically. So if you can flip that around, like using this method, then that is one way that I have found that 99% of the time helps me to get out of beat block. And then once you get back in the flow of it and in the rhythm of it, then you're basically home free. Then you just keep producing. Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this melody here for you real quick. All right, so yeah, this is not a great melody, but I hope I got the point across. Um, if you have any tips that help you in overcoming beat block, definitely drop them in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. Um, and if this video has been helpful to you, make sure to smash that like button. Also, share this video with someone that you think could benefit from seeing it, and make sure to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified the next time I drop a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.